Hey everybody, my friends at Taylor Toolworks sent me this Thin-Rip Jig, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use that to turn a piece of wood into this. Nice even strips that you can run through your planer or drum sander and smooth them out, and they're really good for making those geometric backgrounds that everybody likes right now. So stick around. You'll see how I did it.
Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Very nicely machined. Spinny wheel on the thing. This doohickey fits in the slot. Yeah. It's gonna be awesome. And they included stickers because they're fantastic. There we go. A really well-made product, solid piece of aluminum with a bearing wheel right here at the front, and fits into the miter slot and tightens down real tight and does a great job. So thank you to Taylor Toolworks for letting me try out this tool. You should try one out too. There's a link below that you can purchase one through my affiliate program. And thanks for watching, you guys. Have a good one.